Hey friends, ETPC here, doing another mystery box unboxing. So here was sent to me. I'm not sure what's in here. If you're going to use knives, always be careful to cut away from yourself. Practice safe demeasurements, procedures. Okay. It's a tough one here. Alrighty, let's see. There's that. We're getting in now. Oops. Okie dokie. Here we go. Out it comes. And what do we have but the same thing as in the last mystery box. So 2 more sets of peelers. So I got 2 already. Here's 2 more. So that's pretty cool. These things are pretty nice. I've done an unboxing before. This is, I guess, a second unboxing for these shredders, but these are super handy. The handles are nice and thick. There's 3 different ones in this box, so I guess I got gifts to give to the family now, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open one of these up too. Why not? Well, if we oh my goodness, okay. I thought that little piece of plastic was going to be no problem. And a zip tie here on the back. Alrighty. So my friends, here we go. It comes with 3 peelers here, an assortment, and they each have a little scoop here to get seeds out if you want. Same thing on the other end. These are super sharp. What I like about these is they have that nice thick handle and little place your fingers go right here also, so it's not going to slip out of your hands. So many times I've been peeling potatoes with the the traditional little handle one, and it isn't that easy to hold on to. But these are nice, wide grip, not going to fall out of your hands. Focus, come back to me. So that's what we have in the mystery unboxing, my friends. I'll be doing a demonstration here pretty soon, as I go grocery shopping and get some vegetables and whatnot that I can use to shred. Alrighty, we'll see you next time. Have a great day, everybody.